blunt.
I need that blunt. Pass me that dog.
Let me hit that motherfucker, K.
I was telling it in my big ass.
What's happening? It's your boy J-Way, back at it again with another video. I've been seeing everybody doing, so it's like, I'm gonna do a mukbang, bang, whatever,
Mukbang,
whatever it's called. You see me, I got my brother with me. It's Jay Reed.
Yes, sir.
And you know, watch us eat food.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you weird niggas like saying that, I don't know why.
They can call all your subscribers weird ass niggas.
I mean, but they cool though. They watch my shit. They fucking with me. We got the Zaxby'S.
Zaxby'S. Oh yeah, I didn't even take time to explain what I got.
You got the wrong sandwich, nigga.
They really gonna cap about a damn fry.
Hell yeah, nigga. This shit got them $13. Nigga, my dad, he used to be. Nigga, did you hear your boy at graduation?
Who?
I don't want to say his name, but when he started quigging.
Oh yeah, I
bro,
did.
Bro. So like, we was sitting up there,
getting ready to graduate,
and this nigga, I don't know what he was on, but he just started capping. He's like,
just start cussing out of nowhere.
Oh my God, bro!
And we in a church.
I'm like, you doing this in the house of the Lord?
God damn, fuck.
It's bullshit.
Just spazzing out for
I'm
no
sick
reason.
of this.
Didn't nobody say nothing to him.
Nigga, I got scared. I was like, do I need to get up and fold this nigga, or do I run away?
Do I call him out?
Do I call all the higher authorities? They probably think we weird. We're like, who's these niggas?
Over there doing a mukbang.
A Mukbang. Yeah.
I'm be honest, bro. I don't know how this shit about to go. It's my first time getting it.
Like, you got the bun upside down, dog.
That's how you gotta eat it. I'm sorry. First off, last time I checked,
St. Louis,
you did not
niggas.
have a degree in how you supposed to eat your damn burger.
That's a chicken sandwich, first of all.
Okay.
Talk to Spider-Man later.
I don't know how people be doing it. They just be willingly diving in that. Hey, what's up, man? Most out-of-pocket shit that ever happened in high school.
I think my most out-of-pocket moment was when I was trying to hook him and this girl up. And he know the girl name, but he don't want to say it.
Damn, nigga. How many calories you think of this motherfucker? I'm not even gonna acknowledge the shit that you just said. Cause I know that person gonna see this shit.
I don't even think she watched my videos. If I'm being a hundown with you, dog.
That's alright. It's alright, yeah. Every day, came into class. So you an old girl, right? No, nigga.
I don't know why you was hating.
Because, bro.
I don't know why I started doing this.
Cause you like to piss me off.
You used to do the same shit. We used to walk down the 300 hallway.
I don't remember what you're talking about.
And you used to see old girl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And she would look at me. And then you look at me like.
That's cause we would walk by. And ain't no girl just gonna stare at you out of the blue and smile if she don't want something in return.
A smile back.
Nope. I don't try and change the subject now. Nobody will see that greasy ass sandwich.
My shit gotta be greasy.
Just saying, bro. Excuse my language. But this gay ass nigga at the damn Zaxby'S line fucked my shit up.
Bro, he had a whole attitude too, bro. We just pulled up trying to get some food. He like, anything else?
Oh, hell no. I'll tell you when I'm finished.
Like, nigga, I'm gonna sling a bag of spit through the window.
That nigga said a bag of spit. You know how long you gotta sit in your car just to fill up a bag of spit, nigga? Nigga just in here just.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna find one of my country homeboys do that dip. I'm gonna talk to all 5 of them. There you go.
All 5 of them.
Spit in his bag. I'm gonna tie that up. I'm gonna piss in it. I'm gonna tie it up. I'm gonna throw it in the window.
Hit that nigga right in his forehead. Who the fuck? These white folks.
Nigga, are you already done? That shit just hit me. I'm like,
I was trying to figure out how slow your ass about to eat that shit.
nigga, okay, so we gonna get into it, bro. We gonna get into it, bro. Why didn't you wanna?
Oh hell!
Why you ain't wanna mess with Spider-Man, dog?
Just because. I'm gonna be honest, that was not my type. I can't deal with all that attitude.
And that's another thing, bro. Ladies, that attitude shit is not cute. Like, okay, it's one thing if you got an RBF, but you a sweet girl. But if you just an asshole for no reason,
You gonna have to go.
you gotta slide. You feel me? Like, there's no bigger turnoff than when you go up and try to talk to a girl. You know what I'm saying? You dripped out, you know what I'm saying? Haircut, you looking nice, smelling good, feeling good. You go talk to her, and then she just like,
Ugh.
I'm like, yeah,
Bitch, I'll push her ass down the steps.
I slap the cheese out your ass. Goof ass hoe.
Now let's really get into it.
Oh shit.
Why you didn't want to go ahead and mess with Spider-Man, bro?
Man.
I'm just saying.
Hey man. I actually talked to her about that. Is it napkins in that bag, or did he fuck us over on that too? Okay, first of all, let's get into the reason why we call her Spider-Man. Okay. Okay, so my dumb ass, we was sitting in the second period. We was sitting. I'm like, so you mean to tell me? So you mean to tell me when dudes be having sex
With this Spider-Man person.
with the Spider-Man person, do they just jump off the top rope like he jumped off the building? It's not funny because of that. It's funny because I actually did it. Like, I was sitting in the chair and I jumped on the floor.
And just spread out like
And
Spider-Man. Nigga
That
just
shit was...
got up, dirt all on the nigga jacket and shit.
I wiped it off though. Yeah, I was mad. I had a Chewy jacket on and then I was like, why did I do that? I talked to her about it and she was like, well, I wasn't really going for it. She was like, because then you started saying it. And I was thinking, I was like, she was like, no, I wasn't going for it. I didn't want to do none of that. I didn't want to go in with none of that. I didn't, you know, girl shit. I ain't understand none of that shit. But the reason me and you ain't do nothing, she was like, I ain't want to ruin our friendship. I was like, okay, that's valid. And then she went on, she was like, plus I know how you are. I mean, we ain't gonna say all that. And then she was like, plus I know you couldn't be able to take my attitude because I know how quick you shut shit down.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I don't be going for none of that. They be trying to talk to you like you came out of them. I'm like, you ain't my mama?
Or my daddy.
You gonna do what I say? I'm like, hold on. Don't get your cracker squeezed.
That nigga used to come in class with so much food, nigga.
Who?
Jordan.
Oh yeah. And then, let me tell you this, bro. The story behind that. I'm waiting for the loud truck. We was on lockdown, right? Didn't know if it was a drill or not. Didn't know if we was about to die.
This nigga.
We didn't know. And my bro Jordan, decided he was hungry. And this nigga pulled out a whole sleeve of saltine crackers.
In the middle of a damn lockdown.
Everybody's silent. All you heard was whoosh, 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 whoosh. We was like, we looking around, we like, what is that? And then we look at him, he put the cracker in his mouth, he started crunching. We like, bro.
All you heard was,
I'm like, bro, if I would have lost my life over a cracker,
oh, nigga.
would have been over with. It's a long ass video.
I know, nigga. That's because your ass decided, you know what, I'm going to take my sweet time with this meal. I'm going to make love to this meal.
That's what a mukbang is, nigga.
I'm going to go ahead, every bite, I'm going to savor.
Nigga, you inhaled this shit. I'm trying to... Niggas.
You ever just ball up on your kitchen floor like a crumb? Because sometimes I do.
Nigga, what? Well, hope you enjoyed that video. You know what I'm saying? Consistency is key. We going up. Tell everybody you know, subscribe. Way gang the only way. Whoosh.
Giga pack, nigga, where it's at?